Word na heartstrong, lumalabas na naman.
But you know, I've always believed that too, eh. Kasi parang ang skill ng player nandyan yan eh. But you know, to make a winning team, laging nanggagaling sa puso yun. Because you know, the more you want it, the more you work hard for it.
Pachari Sangwang, looks like she wants it. Amanda Villanueva, dug up there by De Jesus. Eliza.
Oh, straight into the net.
Sunod-sunod na error natin na yun yan, ha? 17-14. Oh, sabihin na naman ni Ann, andito kasi si Noel. Aabot na naman ang 5 yan.
Alam na naman ng lahat yun, Noel eh.
Tigilan nyo na ako sa mga palima-lima na yan, ha? Ito ngayon, 17-14. Humiro.
Oh, straight outside.
So, may makatuno. Magsaserve ngayon. Good serve again, coming from Makatuno. They go to Eliza. Off the block. Walang tao sa likod.
Eliza Valdez with 20 points now here in set number 4.
Naalala mo yung unang laban ni laro ni Eliza Valdez nung open conference natin. Matagal siya. Nag-beach volleyball
Yes.
natin eh. Unang laban niya, unang game niya for Smart Maynila, she scored 28. Diba?
Ayaw naman yung score, no?
Kaya naman. Pero
Ayaw naman eh, no?
kailangan lang ng konting suporta. Right now, Adams is playing very well here in the 4th set. Nice block from Eliza.
Valdez now with 21 points, 2 points from blocks, 17 attack points, and 2 service aces. And Amy Ahumiro, 16 points now.
Ito na naman si Ahumiro. Kanina, 4 na aces yan. 7 total in the game. Good reception there by Adamson. Here's Amanda Villanueva off the net. Walang nakahawak. So, puntos yun para sa Ateneo. Isa pa to eh. Kung may clone si Ella Deso sa kabila, it might be
Amanda
Villanueva.
Yes.
Time on Adamson.
Maganda yung execution eh. Kaso yung atake natin, hindi ano. Okay. Tumba, 5, 6. Okay? Receive muna tayo. Hindi natin bayaan yung receive mamatay. Okay? Kung hindi perfect receive, marunong man tumalo sa open ta 4 eh. Tapos block ulit. Walang matataranta kung nasa Ateneo.
Isa pa yan, ano? The crowd of Ateneo has actually become a little bit more quiet now than in the 3rd set. At yun ang sinasabi rin ni Coach Sherwin, habang tahimik pa sila, tira na tayo.
Take the opportunity kasi syempre the team could also get a lot. They can draw also from the crowd, the support, the cheer. So malaking bagay din yun.
So very quiet Ateneo crowd right now as they are down by 1. Almost another ace there coming from Ahumiro. Morado, Valdez, great defense by Pao Soriano. Coming from Pao with a little help from Amanda Villanueva. So Lebong Fasil, who has seen action in all the sets dahil sa kanyang pagiging serve specialist. Morente, Morado,
Well, that was Sangwang was blocked.
Hindi na na-recover yun. So again, good defense shown by Ateneo. Pero labang pa rin po ang Adamson ngayon. Gia Morado to serve. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Sangwang. Valdez. Very close to overreaching that time. Lazaro. Morente. Morente with no defense from Lebong Fasil. Eto na naman ang Ateneo.
I think the Lady Falcons, they were actually expecting yung mga malalakas na palo. So this time around, off-speed.
Wala tao.
They weren't expecting the off-speed hit. Lahat sila naka-atras, nag-aabang ng malakas na palo.
Gia Morado. Good serve. Lebong Fasil has to stretch for that one. Sangwang, free ball. Morado, combination. Eliza. Kept alive that time by Pineda. Sangwang. Lazaro, Morado, Valdez. Iuhulog na naman, binuhay na naman ni Pat Villanueva.
There is a free ball.
Pangalawa na yan.
Combination play, Morentes block.
Good defense by Mylene Pat. Valdez. Partially deflected by Amanda Villanueva. They stay with Sangwang. Long rally. Valdez off the hands of Pat. Lamang na naman po ang Ateneo.
It is a 1-point lead now.
Ito yung punta sila na punta kay Pachari. Ito naman Ateneo punta na punta kay Eliza. And Eliza once again. So ngayon, si Gia Morado. Here is Makatuno. Villanueva. Here's the back set now for Morente. Good dig that time from Villanueva. At napalakas lamang si Roddy Pachari. 21-19. Nako, Adamson needs to string things together here. Papalik si Cortel, papalitan si Amanda Villanueva, hindi nila mahintay yung rotation. And again, Adamson is on the floor without Pao Soriano there. So maliit yung harapan nila ngayon.
Good
Morado.
serve.
Makatulog. Paat. Hindi mailusot yun kay Patnongon. Morente.
Oh, straight into the net.
That's great
Oh, that is
defense.
still good ball.
Great defense by Pachari. Now on offense. Sangmuang will
Oh,
miss.
that's still outside.
Another point for Ateneo. 22-19. And Gia Morado continues to serve for the Lady Eagles.
And definitely at this point, kailangan makapuntos ang Lady Falcons.
Listana. Sangmuang ngayon. Naatake. Ito si Cortel. Valdez. Morado. Babalik kay Eliza. Eliza tinaretso sa net.
And that's not over. This point goes to the Lady Falcons.
So di kita pa rin po itong ating fourth set. This is the twilight now. Pachari Sangmuang. Iniisip pa siguro ng Ateneo yun. Nasa likuran na rin siya.
But
Oh, what a serve!
service ace.
So Pachari Sangmuang.
Medyo nagdasal din siya doon.
Oo. Hindi, saka kuha na ni Denden yung una niyang yung reception.
Right.
Ang problema, yung paa niya tinamaan naman yung bola. So hindi rin nakuha ni Eliza. Trying to tie it up. Sangmuang. Here's Morente, right into Cortel. Eliza Valdez. Tagapay Listana. Makatuno. Pineda.
Pineda
Through the
to the
blockers.
blockers.
Bang Pineda ties it up at 22. Timeout Ateneo. Hindi pa po tapos itong laban na ito.
Tandaan muna. Resiban muna natin ang... Tanda ha. Guys, dito ka na sa dulo. Ha? Jel! Ha? Harap ka ba? Harap. O, dito lang. Ito, kaya mo na si Eliza rito sa... Yeah. Dito ka siya. Dito si Eliza. Short lang. Ha? Okay, dulo-dulo lang muna tayo. Dulo mo si Mick. Mick mo si Ariel. Si Eliza. Ha?
So you can see yung diagram niya rito, maraming options. But let's take a look at that last play. Sheila Pineda. Dalawa na nakabang sa kanya. Ganun po kalakas ang palo nito si Bang.
And we're tied at 22. So paunahan ito.
Yes.
This is the last set for the Lady Eagles. And of course, if the Lady Falcons would still like to extend it, kailangan manalo sila dito.
Kailangan daw nila i-extend talaga yan. Free ball. Pagkakataon na ngayon. Para sa Lady Falcons. Makatulo. Chooses
Pineda
Pineda.
off the block.
Grabe. Bang Pineda is just on a roll here in the fourth set. Talaga makikita mo yung mukha dito ni Bang. Gusto kong bumawi.
Game face no?
Oo, gusto kong bumawi. Tinanggal kami nitong Ateneo to. Ito ay si Sangmuang. Adamson up by 1. Valdez ties it up.
Off the block as well.
Ayan na yung fan nila na nakapintura yung mukha. Dumami na yung mga kaibigan. Para tayo nasa Braveheart nito.
Oh, service good.
Pineda, out of position, still firing. De Jesus.
Oh, this is
inabot.
going to be a free ball.
Here's Makatuno now.
Pineda
great
blocked by Patnongon.
Ariel Patnongon now gives Ateneo match point. Again, the very lean and the very quick Ariel Patnomon. And now Eliza, UAAP best server. Makatuno. Pineda.
Oh, that was a good cut shot.
And then Del Lazaro, slow to get up after that dive.
And now we're tied at 24.
Oh, race to 26
Race to
tayo.
26 na tayo, that's right.
So the captain, Marlene Cortel, serving now for Adamson.
No room for errors for both of these teams.
Morente out of nowhere. Another match point for Ateneo. Ariel Patnomon, no mistakes on the serve today. Serving for the match. Listana, Makatuno, Pineda.
Pineda off the block.
Patnomon is there. Ella, yes! And Ateneo wins! Come from behind fashion, Ateneo, the reigning UAAP champions. Matatawag natin, lamang na Adamson doon. Masasabi natin sa come from behind victory here for Ateneo. Although this fourth set was very, very close. But what a battle. Ateneo 26-24, they win it in 4 sets. Tingnan natin itong ating shaky play.
And this is a setup here for Ella De Jesus, coming off the hands of the blockers.
No coverage for Adamson. Game, set, and match for Ateneo. 4-set victory by Ateneo over Adamson, ladies and gentlemen. Let's send it over now to Andre Mulla with our Shakey's player of the game.
Thank you, Noel. I'm here with our Shakey's best player of the game, Kiwi Ahumiro. Just one question. Did you expect it would go all the way to 4 sets? And ano yung nakita niyong problem? What were the problems? That's why you lost the second set.
We always expect, because Adamson's defense is like relentless. But we didn't expect that the middles, they killed us in the second set with the middles, with Pau and their guest player. So we just were able to adjust, and Ariel got some blocks, I got some blocks. So I think that's why we're able to come back.
All right. And since you're our best player of the game, Shakey's has a box of pizza for you, which you can share with your teammates. All right, once again, congratulations, Noel and Ivy.
Well, again, Amy Ahumiro, 7 service aces in that match, and Ateneo gets it in 4 sets. At of course, dyan po nagwawakas ang ating paghahatid sa inyo ng laban ng Ateneo kontra sa Adamson. Dito lang po sa Shakey's P-League Season 11 on behalf of the Remulla Sisters. Ito po si Noel Zarate. Paalam.